Go. There was like smoke coming around. Oh, you're creepy.
Oh my god! My teeth are crying again! No! Better put this on YouTube. I'm a famous star. And visit the Angry Nerd Boys. That's the best videos of all.
I'm not playing no funny. Oh. You have to do the whole thing.
No, it's Louise.
No, it's not. Do it. You're such a rabbit.
Oh.
I'm a rabbit. Holy crap. That's gonna get millions of hits on YouTube.
Oh my god. You really just supposed to put the camera on sideways so
You're gonna hit your finger. Oh crap, you're supposed to do it that way.
listen, it's still gonna be fine. Oh my god, my teeth. How'd you make me do this?
My teeth are crying.
Come here, buddy.
Princess. Princess.
Okay, end the video.
Almost scary as hell. Yeah.